baby girl. Way to go, girl. Look at you. You're standing up all you're by yourself. Oh my goodness. My babies grow too fast. They go too fast. But I'm so excited. What's that? That was a fail on your part, brother, trying to get up here to me. Hi, sister.
Bye-bye.
The tissue box. Wait,
Okay, bye-bye.
definitely paper.
Yeah.
Tissue box. Paper. Yeah.
What? Tell me about it, little girl.
And a clue.
What? You gonna tell me? You got bedhead. Where are you going?
We know what to do. We need our hands.
You're trying to walk on your own.
Okay.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Audrey. Say bye-bye. Good enough.